The time has finally come to get some bangs. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I haven't ever actually got around to doing it. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it will look good. So I have my hairdressing scissors here and a comb. So I'm first going to section the part of my hair that I want to turn into the bangs. I don't want to have it too thick, yet I don't want to have it too thin that it will be see-through. So I'm just going to try and get a good amount of hair. There is a mirror in this direction. So, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm just nervous. It's just taken me such a long time for my hair to grow out and be nice and long, and all the layers have finally grown out. Cutting this, I mean, could always hide it if I didn't like it, but then okay, I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it, so let's just section my hair first. So this is how long the bit of hair that I'm going to cut is. So the plan was to have short bangs, but I'm not going to cut it really short to begin with. I'm going to just kind of go where my eyebrows are and then see how the hairs will fall and then go from there. It's taken me like 10 minutes to do this and I'm still trying to get the courage to actually cut my hair. You can see when I brush my hair forward, I have all these bits of hair that have broken from bleaching, so it's not like too bad that I'm doing this. Look at these like bangs. Oh, I hope this isn't going to be really bad. I have thin hair anyway, so I just want to make sure there's a good amount of hair there. Okay. Oh wow, this hair is so long. Oh wow, that's quite thick. Okay, let's brush it down and see what it looks like now. Oh no. Oh wow. Ooh. So this actually doesn't look that bad. It's quite nice, but I want them shorter than this. I don't want them to cover my eyebrows, so let's cut it shorter. I'm just going to use this spray bottle and spray it with water so it's a little bit damp and comb it through. Wow, feels so weird. Whew. Now I don't know if that's how short I want them or not, so I'm just going to have a look with my hair down. Whoa. Wow. So it just, I feel, whoa. To be honest, I think I want them shorter. I actually really like it. It feels different, definitely different. Right, let's just clean it up a little bit, get it crispy. Into the hair, soften the edge a little. It's going to take me a while to get used to this, but I actually really like them. So I'm going to spray hairspray on the comb first and then brush the bangs down. So I have short bangs now. Whoa. I'm looking forward to dyeing it different colours, and yeah, it might take a few days for my hair to actually mould to my head because I don't wear it this way, but yeah. There we go guys, that was me cutting my short bangs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!